Right, I'm still not well, and well, I managed to get a couple of hours work done on the guns. So this is extra, and I said I was going to buy 4 guns and 2 rifles. Couldn't buy 4 guns because I haven't got any guns left out of stock. So it was a bit of a bummer, but I still bought 2 rifles. And I've done something silly. Yeah, Thompson, as you can see, still no magazine. So, and I've left the magazine downstairs. I left the battery downstairs. That was a bit silly. I'll have to pause this video. But we can still carry on with the all that. So that's right. The Glock or right. So right. It's a bit messy in there. Other way. JB Weld. When I've done the spring, I have no idea what it looked like, so I just had to make a guess. Well, I watched the oh, you mad bastard cat, you. And so bought the clip, magazine clip, and put it in, had a look, thought, well, that's what I need to make, that thing there, that bit there. So and I went to a genuine Glock, a real Glock, and how they held in, and it's got some sort of J-shaped spring on it, it don't cross up. Well, the simplest solution would be to copy the Glock spring, which is a straight spring. So I got a peg spring, and I speeded it up, straightened it, and I tried to get some tension back in. Bit iffy, but never mind. And ground a little slot in there, and I put a little slot in the magazine release, and JB welded it at the bottom there. And the only problem is you've just got to push it back into place, but it works perfectly, you know what I mean. I'll only fire 2, 3, 4. Let's fight on that bloody. I've got a pair of jeans on the one account there. Bang. Bang. Right. Not wrong with that gun. It's 24.99. So 24.99, 1.99, 4.99, and I bought 2 magazines and 2 other guns at £5 delivery. So we'll split the £5, say 4 ways. that one. And so under a tenner. So £25 gun for under a tenner. Not bad. No. So happiness, happy days. Gun number 2. And I call this the scrap gun. I don't know if you can see, but it was smashed on the end of the big chip off the front. So I've done the best I can with it. I cut the chip off and I super glued a piece in, but it's a bit wobbly. It doesn't look the best, like, you know. Will do. Plus, slide release was the knacker one. So that slide was on different on the other gun. I'll show you in a minute, right? So this one does one. Both of these, you see that? That's a ball of super glue and baking soda. And I filed the shape. And that again I got some tidy, I don't really want to kill it. Yeah. It's got a safety lock. This is a £29.99 gun. So bang, bang. See. Right. Right. This is what's going to be the giveaway gun, but I've changed my mind. Well, I was actually going to give it to one of the ambulance drivers. The ambulance driver said he was really into BB guns and he really fancied buying one. So I'll give it to him, like, you know what I mean? Right. So this, there's nothing apart from slide. That's a ball of again super glue and baking powder, filed to the right shape. Nothing wrong with it. Just that's the slide from that gun to this gun, which was the good slide, which was the unbroken one. As you can see, you know. So nothing wrong with this. So to release, just push that in the side there, pull it out. Oh, there you are. There's a slide. It has some metal parts, and so fell off. Right, John. Is that right? That one. That's fine. What's that jam there? There we go, sorted. Right, four. stick one through there. Right, so we're talking. So, right, so delivery. I think I bought 3 items with these. I bought 3 items. So, under a tenner. Oh, tennerish. So that's going to go into the driver if he wants it. And that's my gun now. So, now, I'll just what now? What's going on here? Oh, that's not pause. Alright. Thompson. Alright. What I'm going to do now, this might be stupid. So, here we go. What I decided to do was, I mean, that's an £80 gun. What are we here? Thompson. Blurb. Ooh. Ooh. We have a fake. Fake. I forget what the call is. Well, it's a fake one in any case, not a real one. But we have 2 sets of batteries. BB. And we have sights. Right. We have, wow, that's something else. That's a hell of a heavy duty magazine. For 30, I can't get away for 30 quid. Get that out, get that out, take them out, out. This for 28 quid. Bloody hell, man. £28 for this. Right. Right. Out these infections are killing me. Sorry about that. Right. I don't know why I'm apologising. Just to you, it's been nothing, you know what I mean? To me, it's been about 10 minutes. No. I can't get a magazine for the Thompson. And I thought to myself, well, that's 28 quid. So what? The Thompson magazine, if you can get one's a tenner. Right? The other gun, which I'll get to in a minute, is missing parts. This comes with a modern scope and a modern torch. Can't remember what these are called. I've got one myself, I can't remember what they're called. Right. Now, my M83 is missing a light and a scope. Oh, 12 quid, something like that. Or Thompson's. As far as I'm concerned, it shouldn't come with lights and shouldn't come with scopes. So I've got two there. So that gun, actually, take that and that for the M83 in a minute. That stands me a tenner, 12 quid. Right? But all depends. Well, it doesn't matter because I've still got them for that. I'm still going to use the M83, them bits on the M83. It all depends on whether this and that fit. And hold on. It's a long way after. No. Well, it doesn't fit. It looks like it's going to fit, but I think you might have to do a little bit filing. So what can I get? Right, so that doesn't fit that for the time being. So I'm not snookered altogether, snookered. So hold on a second, I'll move out the road. And I put two guns together. Ah, I see. Instead of a plate on it. There's a plate missing. Right. Oh, right. So get them level. Right. I don't know if that'll fit that. This one's electric one's a little bit wider than the what I call it. And there were two different. That one sticks out. So right. So I still think. Will it go? Will it go? I still think it'll go. I just have to. Instead of failing that down, I'll spend some time. I'll try to take this gun apart again, and I'll fail the hole to suit that. And I don't want to touch that magazine and not be able to get it again into there. But sort of, right, how the fuck does this work? Alright, there it is there. Right, so. What? What? Oh, look. Excuse me. Any instructions on that? Oh. BB's gun in there. Handy. The BB's gun. I'll wear the BB's gun, not that bloody stupid. Aye. It's 2 minutes. Wait! I haven't got a clue how I feel. I put there. Trying to a bar. I can't see because I can't turn now. But what's something to push that thing with? No, that'll not do. Maybe it's just something a bit rough on the edge. Alright, well that'll do. That was a bit of a funny on the load. Come out of a ramrod. This is mental, this, like. Right, so I've loaded 4 or 5. Yeah. Right, watch this. This is a good one, right? I'm going to put the gun there. What the hell? No wonder. Right. It's got, apparently, I watched the video, it's got 330 odd pounds square foot. And I can well believe it with that spring. Dear me. Dear me. Dear me, man. 28 quid. 28 quid. 28.99. I'm pleased I got it now. I do genuinely like it for 28 quid. So I'm going to see if I can file that hood card out on that to fit that. But I don't, it says when I was looking for a magazine that such and such, this magazine or whatever it was, you know, fits fits all Thompson. What does that mean? Well, I can't remember what they are. What is it? Whatever. Any case, fits all of them. I tell you it doesn't. But can I file that out today? Well, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. Keep you informed.